Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sea moss from the ocean. First, locate a clean, unpolluted area for harvesting, ensuring it's safe and permissible. Always check local regulations and acquire any required permits before you begin. Prepare your gear, including a mesh bag for collection, a sharp knife or scissors for cutting, and protective gloves. This preparation ensures a responsible and successful harvest. When you're ready to harvest, aim for low tide, as this makes the sea moss more accessible. Use your knife or scissors to carefully cut the sea moss, making sure to leave the holdfast attached to the rock. This is crucial for the plant's regrowth. Only take a small amount from each patch, perhaps 1/4 of the visible plant, to ensure sustainable harvesting practices for future growth. After harvesting, it's important to clean your sea moss properly. Rinse it thoroughly with clean ocean water right at the site to remove any sand, small shells, or other marine debris. Gently shake off excess water. Transport your sea moss in a breathable mesh bag, not a sealed container, to allow air circulation and prevent it from spoiling before you get it home for further processing. Once home, soak your sea moss in fresh water for several hours, changing the water a few times, then rinse it thoroughly. Next, spread the sea moss out flat on a clean surface in a sunny, well-ventilated area to dry completely. This process can take 1 to 3 days, depending on humidity. Once dry, it will be hard and brittle, ready for storage or use. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.